National Fire Protection Association and Vulcan County Protective Services are serving up safety in the kitchen. Welcome to Cooking with Sparky. Sparky and Captain Tompkins are going to show you how to cook safely and make a fast and fun lunch. Before we get started, we want to go over some important information about cooking safely. When you are cooking, make sure that you are wearing short, close-fitting, or tightly rolled sleeves. If your clothes do catch fire, stop, drop, cover your face, and roll until all the flames are gone. Make sure you keep a 3-foot kid-free zone around your cooking area. Keep anything that can catch fire away from the stove. Always stay in the kitchen while you are cooking. If you have to leave, even for a short time, turn off the stove. It's important to have an ABC fire extinguisher ready and make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommendations for servicing and maintenance. Now that we have a safe cooking space, we can get started.
Oh, thank you, Sparky. Just to make sure when you put your pots on the stove to turn your handles in. Oh, and also, make sure that all your pots, if you can, use them on the back burner so little kids can't grab off the stove. And now that lunch is all prepared in a safe manner, lunch is ready.